Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I have a review for you. This is actually so overdue. The company emailed me, I think the first week of January, but I was away from home, so I really couldn't review the product. And I got it a couple weeks ago, but then I got sick. I had so many appointments, just life all of a sudden happened. And even though I am still sick, I am going to push through and bring you this review on a diaper sprayer that is super amazing. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so before I start, I'm gonna tell you a couple of things because I think it's super awkward to film in the bathroom. And we actually don't have any windows, so we only have that yellowish light. So in the box, they include the actual sprayer head. They also include the T-valve, a long, generous hose, sprayer holder, and some plumber's tape. Highly recommend you use the plumber's tape because we had a little issue where it would keep leaking, and my husband had to fix it for me because I was not strong enough. So now I'll just show you how it works, and then later I will tell you my thoughts on it. Okay, so this is a little sprayer. I actually put the holder upside down and I need to fix it. And once it is put in correctly, it goes in with no problem. I made sure that it is flipped up at the T-valve so I can use the little sprayer. It is stainless steel, it's really nice. It feels like it's gonna be durable. And then it has a lever that you will push to activate the sprayer function. This is also used as a bidet. So to make it work, you just make sure that it is turned on right below in the faucet, and then you just press down here depending on how much pressure you want. You get a really nice smooth flow, and if you need a little bit more pressure, you just keep pushing down until you reach the desired pressure you want. I'm not even pushing it the whole way, so this goes really strong. So technically this is sold as either a diaper sprayer, a hand bidet, a pet sprayer. It has a lot of different uses. It's not only for diapers. I mean, I thought it was super handy to have because I am going to be potty training soon, which wish me luck on that. And I'm sure I will need that a lot. Plus, if I am able to give birth, have a VBAC, I think I would probably like having that option there for me. And I really like that it's super easy to install. It really didn't take up too much time for us. And it's nice to have. I mean, if you cloth diaper, that's something that is so useful. I did not have a diaper sprayer, so I didn't know what I was missing out on. If you do cloth diaper, I would highly, highly recommend it because it's amazing. And those are basically my thoughts on the diaper sprayer. I love that it has nice pressure, it's easy to install, it has many uses, and it's affordable. I had been looking at others, but I didn't like the reviews. I actually really like this one, and it's not super expensive, and I think that it's a really great product. So if you found this useful or enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you click the subscribe button, and if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.